How to learn English in 1 month. I see a lot of courses out there selling you this package, and in today's video we are going to answer this and equip you with some very interesting strategies and of course answer this question: can you actually learn English in 1 month? Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marwa, aka Miss English Teacher. I speak 5 languages and I have lived abroad for over 15 years. And I learned a couple of languages. And in today's video, I am going to share with you some mind-blowing strategies to improve your language. So, before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. First things first, I believe that many English learners struggle with improving their speaking. Many of my students say to me, I have a C1 level, B1 level when it comes to grammar. I understand everything that you're saying, but when it comes to speaking, I black out and I don't know what to say and I cannot express myself. If you are experiencing this problem, then I have the best solution for you. Your problem is not your English knowledge. Your English is probably very good if you understand everything and can answer these questions. Your problem is confidence. You need to build your confidence while speaking in English. And honestly, you are the answer to that. There are 2 ways you can fix this problem. The first thing is hire someone that you feel comfortable enough with. There are so many coaches out there that will teach you how to be confident when speaking in English. There are some strategies, there are some techniques that are used. One of the most common ones is to imagine everyone standing in front of you naked. I know, it's crazy, but this strategy usually works. The second thing is by practicing in uncomfortable situations. The first time you're going to feel very uncomfortable, but you're gonna see nobody's laughing at you. Everyone is actually supporting you, and most likely English learners like yourself are thinking the same thing about their English. So, in this situation, you can absolutely get rid of that mind block in 1 month if you practice with the right person and use the right strategy. Another way of improving your English in a very anonymous way, that is to play video games. I know, you're probably like, what? I thought this was a serious video. But let me explain to you. There are a couple of video games out there, like for example, one that is called VR Chat. This is a video game where you get to practice in a virtual reality. You are in your home, you're very comfortable, nobody knows you, nobody sees you, and then you get to practice with English learners and also native speakers, where the purpose is to create this virtual reality where you can even practice giving a presentation if that is the thing that you need English for. Let's continue. We're still answering the same question: how to learn English in 1 month. So the second one is, many of you guys need to present this proficiency test to your work or to the university and so on, and you're like, oh my god, the deadline is next month. So for this thing, my advice would be the following. First of all, If you're working, try to take some time off. If you are a student, try to organize yourself and study at least 4 hours a day. I know many of you didn't like that, but that is the only way to go from a band 5 to a band 6. It's by practicing every day for 4 hours. Find all the free websites you can find out there. Practice every day, 1 hour listening, 1 hour reading, 1 hour writing, and also, if you can, 1 hour speaking. Why do I say this? Well, this is an exam. And exams are usually not just about your English knowledge, but mostly about strategies and getting used to a particular way of answering these questions. So, if you practice every day this way, you're going to encounter a lot of vocabulary that you are going to probably also encounter during the test. So this is the first thing. The second, you're going to learn how to manage your time. You're going to train your ears, right? British pronunciation, British accent. You are going to see the type of questions you are asked. And yes, you can improve your score from, let's say, a band 5 to a band 6 or a band 6 to a 6.5 within a month. So, I answered 2 important questions here. Can you improve your speaking in a month? Yes, absolutely. Can you get the score that you need? Now, if you clicked on this video hoping that I'm going to have a secret magical pill that is going to teach you a language in 1 month, then buddy, there is something that you need to remember. It took you over 10 years to learn your own mother tongue. I'm pretty sure when you were 16 years old, there were so many words that you didn't know in your own native language. My advice to you is the following. If you have a target, if you need to reach something, if you need to go from A1 to A2 within a month, yes, it's possible. If you need to get rid of a speaking mental block, yes, it's possible. But what's more important is to remember that improving your language is a long-term goal. You need to be persistent. You need to study every day a little bit. And you need to improve bit by bit. And that is how you're going to conquer and master the English language eventually. So keep on studying and go ahead. Here I have a test for you that will give you a better idea of what your English level is and what you need to do next. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will be back with some more interesting pieces of advice like this one.